what's good? What's poppin', brothers and sisters? It's me, your girl, and I'm back again with another video. So, yeah, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for stopping by. We welcome you. I know it's been an absolute minute since I've been here, but as you guys have seen with the thumbnail or the title of this video, my birthday is coming up, or rather, has passed as I'm recording this video, but yeah, this is practically me getting ready for my birthday. So this is something, I thought is vlog worthy. I thought I should just yeah, come back to the YouTube streets basically and vlog this for you guys, which this is practically how it went. I just started by basically just vlogging. I didn't give you guys any context or whatever introduction, hence I'm doing this voice over, which is kind of weird. I'm having having to do this, but yeah, it is what it is. So yeah, I thought I should just give you guys a little bit of context as to what's going on in this video and introduce it basically, and kind of just let the vlog do its thing. Yeah, and sort of roll, right? So basically here I was at Dragon City getting my hair laid, getting my hair did for my birthday, which was the following day. So this was on the 13th of October. Did I say October? November, sorry. So this was on the 13th of November, and I went to Dragon City with my sister to get my hair did. Yeah, I just wanted a blonde look. Yeah, because I wanted to look like a Barbie doll. You guys will see the videos coming up after that to see what it was all about. Yeah, it was practically like a stressful day, but at the end, I got this lady and she kind of did the things. My sister was not at all loving the hair there. She didn't think it was good quality, especially in this color. I specifically wanted blonde. I didn't want anything else. I didn't want black or anything else, because you get what I'm saying. Give me yellow color, man. Give me yellow vibrant. Give me yellow what looks nice. So I thought this would go so well with the concept I had in mind for my birthday photo shoot, right? Perfect. So practically it took us like the whole day of us being there to finally get this hair. But at the end of the day, I finally got my breakthrough. And how this happened was, I like my sister and I were like, I was so tired, I was so defeated, and we kind of sat down. And obviously there's these shops everywhere. We sat down and we didn't know what to do. We were trying to think of our next move, and my hair just was like, we saw like such beautiful hair there. It was red or maroon, whatever the color was, right? And she's like, fit this. And I'm like, okay, let me fit this, let's see. And the lady was like, no, we can fit, we can see what's about. If you like it, and then you take it. If not, no biggie. And then she was showing me how she's gonna style it. I'm like, I don't like this color, it's not what I wanted, but let me see what you can do. She's like, let me show you, sorry, what I can do. And then she showed me pictures on her phone. And I was like, oh, okay, not bad. But I was not keen on the color. And then I swiped left. And then I saw the lady there had this hair, had this color, and it was style. I'm like, wait a minute. What is this? I want this. This is what I want. This is exactly what I came here for. Do you have this hair? She's like, no, I don't have this hair, but I can get it for you. And then go to the plan, and she got me this hair. And I'm like, oh, this is exactly what I want. This is exactly what I came here for. So can we do that? And then we did that, right? So this is after she's done. She got the hair. She's, now she's styling it. Obviously, I wanted curls. I wanted like a Beyonce look. I don't know if I'll pop it on here on screen to show you guys. I wanted like a Beyonce look. It was cold. She said because like the time has run out. It was literally like, but it's all like a 4 for some odd reason. Why would you close your store at 4 o'clock? Who does that? But anyways, that was that. It's them. They do their own thing. But it's all like a 4, and it was like 15 minutes left. She's like, I can't curl your hair for you because there's no time. Like, look at me, they're looking so gorgeous. I look weird, but like kind of cute at the same time. But yeah, that's me. They're done. The hair's done. I can't believe I spoke for 4 minutes straight. Oh my goodness. But yeah, guys, that's literally the backstory of this. But coming from that pretty mouth, the truth is steady. Cause you ain't never talking loud, and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking about, cause you just get me. Yeah, you so pretty. If everything is dipped in gold, then baby it will never grow. Everything sweet ain't sugar coated. What a lie.
hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. Like this, I'm doing what I want. Hope you know what you want. What you want? My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know but she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, I go where I want. Just some me time. Hope you know what you want. Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mark of New York the shelf. Now my bitch is Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, I go where I want. Get some me time. I don't know if you know what you want. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want. In the meantime, just not doing what I want. Get some me time. You do what you want. In the meantime, just not doing what I want. Get some me time. You do what you want. Maybe I don't love myself. I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. Sit in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need myself, fuck my wealth.
Champagne.
No, it's only coke.
This boat, this boat, I'm gonna write a story on the magazine about the boring boat.
You just the cokes, yeah.
The glasses are.
Those are the glasses.
Where can I rinse it?
It's rinsed, Papa.
Just use ice to rinse.
Can you see the flowers? I'm taking.
This one, she's Gela.
Yes.
What is in this river?
Oh, no one like
Alright, it's fine.
Okay, can I take this part?
Yeah, without the flowers.
I'm not that heavy. I'm not gonna.
It's fine.
This thing should have been on the other. Let me sit here with my.
Hey man, what are you doing in my boat?
I need to try to look in the boat, too, guys.
This is, you know how much it is?
Which one the body?
Yeah.
It's expensive.
Expensive this.
Very. So I want that for the house.
Hey, this thing is different.
Oh yeah.
I just
Is this a village or what?
yeah, it's
I don't know
it's
what
an
to
estate.
try.
It's an
On the
estate.
Vau estate. Yeah.
So here you can't book and sleep.
You can book and sleep.
Where?
There is a hotel. There is.
Which side?
There is a hotel there, the reception. Then these are apartments. Then
Oh.
these ones are private houses.
Oh.
Yeah, you can book and sleep. There is self-catering. There is also at the hotel which they can.
Shuma, what phone is this?
Are you taking videos?
Mm-hmm.
Also, show the water, then come to Shumba. Go to. Oh, you go.
It's booked for 1 hour.
You guys, you book for 1 hour.
But can you book for more hours?
No, I have another.
No,
place.
I'm just asking.
Yeah, if you want
In
to book,
future.
in future, if you want to book even 5 hours, 6 is well up to you.
Be careful of
But
your
it's
dress,
two,
ne?
eh? But two, what is the
We
next?
have 3.
Oh,
The other one is why it's out. It's there at our apartment. So we're having
I don't know.
Maybe even from side,
some
yes?
flats. Exactly. 26. Only 26.
I don't know.
No? I must hug them.
Yeah, the way you're doing, because now this thing is cutting.
I'm a big guy.
well,
My daughter, she's 18.
it is.
Yeah, my firstborn.
Me, when I was 40, I was saying, I'm surprised. I'm old. All of a sudden, 10 years is nothing, eh?
Yeah, and me, I'm old. I'm Yeah, yeah, it's good.
You are old, you are hip.
I'm happy to be old.
Happy to be old.
Yeah, because
Siale papa.
The grace full of God.
yeah.
Can we change that side?
Oh, all right, it's
Yeah,
fine.
I just want
You just let me know. Just tell me you are the photographer.
maybe some sunset, yeah, if we can get there.
All right.
It's gone, but we can
Even
try.
on the willow trees, that green is nice. Also.
Yeah. We can even move closer to those trees.
Oh, all right.
I could blame it on your lips, your touch, your kiss, you know, real traditional. But your love's too original. You're anything but conventional. Baby, did you know that from the moment we fell in and knew we couldn't fall back? Knew I'd always crawl back. Cause baby, it's the everything for me, for me. Baby, it's the everything for me, for me. Cause baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Baby, it's the everything for me, yeah, oh, for me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the soap, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, stuck in your zone. You know that I love, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up.
Oh, that's so stunning. I'm about to let my flowers, my balloons go.
Just focus on me.
Golden hour.
Focus on me. Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Crazy and broke. Now we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel like all you're doing alone. And then don't go back, I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Baby, I've been
And it's a wrap.
wish you would just focus on me.
Hello, brothers and sisters. I don't have much space on my phone. I don't have much space on my phone. I'll be sitting outside. We're gonna tell them to move us inside because I didn't book this balcony. But I look gorgeous. I look pretty. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. Oh, this is stunning though. Come on, it's stunning, Liana. It's not too bad. Look at my date. There's my date. She's busy on her phone. How gorgeous is she? Stunning.
I should have put you somewhere where no one can find you. Mansion out in the sticks with nothing around you. Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know a different environment. You got desires, I know. You got desires, I know. You got desires. You got that fire, and I'm not a liar. You had me down on my knees every day, had to talk beside. I'm in that 80s and one of the twist different fire. I try to pay all your loans, so I can copy you a
Now
driver.
the call. I switched sides. It's my birthday. here makes it so difficult. I always have oysters on my birthday. It's a tradition of mine. Always have oysters. I love that. I should have had this cream. Hello, Tabasco makes it so good. This is very cute. Yeah, I don't know if it's cute. That's it. Let's what is the difference Can we please move the food around? Maybe please move the food around. Maybe please move the food around. Actually, I'm asking nicely. We are cheersing. Wait. We are supposed to cheers. I didn't cheers. Okay, I would say no more. I don't know, we must take it from outside. I want a content creation. I got you from this side. Okay. Okay. Wait. Okay, I want to have a. Alright. Okay, I want to make it too much. Wow. Thank you. What a boring meal, but a gorgeous girl.
Thank you. Yeah. Second one.
Oh, yes, I did.
Like a glance from the past, you can see the dark. I frame your poster on the wall. My dreams, you the prince, and I'm like, oh, fairy tales, I'm not used to.